Hi everyone, I'm back with another hair tutorial here on my mannequin head, and this time I'm doing a wedding updo hairstyle. I'm just brushing the hair and then I'm just gonna part the hair. And I've made a padding made out of hair extensions, rolled them in a net just to make sure they won't fly all over the place and they will be nice and neat. So I'm just gonna place this padding underneath, pin it very carefully so it will stay. So the hair that was underneath the padding, I just brought it all up and pin it, so I created like a massive voluminous bun. And then with my top hair, I'm just gonna part it again. And as you can see, I'm gonna start creating all swirls and roses, and you can create whatever you want on your voluminous bun. Now, I found this type of big hairstyles very difficult to do years ago, but now I find it very easy. Like, you have to be really creative and think about what you want to achieve. As you can see, I'm rolling the swirls and then I'm just pulling the hair and pin it, that's it, and spray it. So you're gonna have a nice design on your voluminous bun. So I take a strand of hair, I pull the hair to make the loop bigger, and I kind of twist it and just create a very nice design. In my previous video, I have made a ponytail with roses made out of hair, so if you want to have a look and check out my other hairstyle video as well, you can have a look on my profile. Very good hairspray. I can recommend you the glued one from Schwarzkopf. Honestly, it's the best one if you're a hairstylist and you have to do a lot of party, weddings and different occasions up those. So this type of hairstyles, they can take a while. You need a lot of patience and creativity. And sometimes I add even more hair extensions, so I just place them on top and make it even bigger than this, or apply different hair extensions colors into this. You will see it in a moment. And that's my bun. I just spray it all over. And I've also applied a few more hair extensions, the blonde ones, just to make the design even better. And that's the nicely designed bun. Now for the top, I've applied one more padding underneath, and obviously the top hair was backcombed and brushed neatly and then pinned, as you can see. And that's my final result as a wedding hairstyle. I hope you like this beautiful hairstyle, and if you do, you can give a like and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration in beauty, hair and makeup.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright.